Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can use an ad into your iPhone. It's very simple. You need to go to Settings. You have an item here. Then click on it. You will not have any configurations and devices here, so you need to add it here. How do you do it? To do that, you go to the App Store. I'll give you a VAN. It's called 1.1, 1.1. Look for it. This is what it looks like. Click, download, and then open it. When you open it for the first time, it will tell you that you can add any configuration. You agree to everything, add it, and then it will be displayed in your settings. Here it will be selected, or you can select it yourself, and then where? VAN status you press. Connect. All VAN is enabled and you can use it now. You can also open the application and enable it through the application. But I think it is much more convenient to do it from the settings, but you do as you please. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There's nothing complicated at all. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye.